Welcome home, friend! This stunning Lewisville Valley home just hit the market. This entertainer's dream home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,900 square feet of living space. This one-story floor plan features fresh paint inside and out, brand new windows, and renovated bathrooms. The kitchen comes equipped with granite countertops and black appliances, lots of cabinet and counter space, and a pantry. This home also boasts a fireplace in the living room, a formal dining room, a dedicated laundry room, and a sunroom that offers you an additional flex space. During the summer, entertain in style under the shade of a large covered back patio or relax in the extra large spa that flows into your sparkling pool. Located in the highly coveted Lewisville ISD, this home is zoned for Degan Elementary School, Huffines Middle School, and Lewisville High School. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin Group.